Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Craighead County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas, northern Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, southwestern Pemiscot County in southeastern Missouri, southeastern Dunklin County in southeastern Missouri, until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:17 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located near Truman, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Caraway around 9:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Litchfield around 9:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Manila around 9:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Dell around 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Gosnell around 9:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Blytheville around 9:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Jolliffe Store, Guilford, Calumet, Dearman, Lenny, Vale, Etowah, Carmi, Wisp, and Buckeye. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Craighead, Mississippi, and Poinsett, and the following counties: in Missouri, Dunklin and Pemiscot.